It's been great to be back here to connect. A lot of people are always interested in investing in property in the UK, and it's great to come to the show to really be able to update on what's happening, and the market's changed a huge amount. Tell all my clients to come and connect, come and meet people, and I really just find out what's happening in the industry.
18 months in lockdown, it's been great to get out and speak. Great engagement, lots of people out. My talks are really busy as well.
It's our first time here and it's really exceeded our expectations. We've got some really hard leads that will probably lead to sales, but more importantly, we've networked with a lot of really important people. We'll definitely be back next year.
This is our second show. We've had some really good leads. Yeah, we're just really surprised of how busy we've been.
Great show, loads of interest in the staycation market, lots of investors looking to buy properties that they could potentially holiday let.
We've had commercial inquiries, property development inquiries. It's been really high. They've been, really eager to learn and actually really engage with us.
It's always a bit of a mixture with these events. You have some very seasoned portfolio landlords who visit you. You also have people who are just starting out. And you can have great conversations with both of those kinds of people.
It's a great opportunity to meet developers, solicitors, specialist tax people.
We just thought it would just be property companies, but there isn't. We've got like lawyers, mortgage brokers, insurance brokers and so forth.
It has brought in various types and forms of developers to medium to long-term lenders onto one umbrella.
It's been really great to get back into a live environment. We've had a lot of people here yesterday, Friday, full house for the talk we gave. I have to say it's been a lot better than my expectations, seeing a lot of happy faces here.
It's amazing. I've been speaking to a lot of people. I actually spoke to the NRLA, fantastic. And then I've met quite a few people. This is really good. I'm glad I came here today. It's just fantastic.
I think the online elements are here to stay, but it's never going to replace the face-to-face.